Now we're gonna have the intercept form of the equation of the line. The equation of the line with x-intercept A and y-intercept B is given by this formula. X over A plus y over b is equal to 1, where a and b is not equal to 0. So I guess this is the easiest one. If you were given the intercept form, again when you say intercept form, example, for x-intercept, this is the given, or this is the value of x if your y is 0. Okay, ganti itsura niya. For y-intercept, this given by this your y when your x is equal to 0. Okay, so let's have an example. Example number 8, write the equation of the line whose x-intercept is 2/3 and y-intercept is -6. Easy peasy for this one. So we're gonna do, let's substitute it. X over A plus y over B is equal to 1. Again, your x-intercept is 2/3. So this is the value of your A. While your y-intercept is -6, and this is the value of your B. Substituting it here in our equation, we're gonna have x over 2/3 plus y over b, which is -6, is equal to 1. Could this be our final answer? Not yet, no? Again, our answer is supposed to be in slope-intercept form. So what we're gonna do, akala ko madali lang. So let's simplify first this one, this term. X divided by 2/3 is also equal to, let's have a scratch paper here, x times, and nandito tayo dyan, x times 3 over 2. And we're gonna have 3x over 2. Better. And 3x over 2 plus y over -6 is equal to 1. Okay, how do we cancel out this denominator? For us to cancel out this, we're gonna multiply both sides by their least common denominator, which is -6. 6 na lang gamitin natin. Okay, para hindi tayo mahirapan. So, let's do it. 6 times 3x over 2, we could cancel up this one. 1, 2, ito 3. Thus, our answer will become 3 times 3x, that is 9x. Next one. What about this one? Kasi nalito. Still, multiplying 6 by y over -6. Cancel, cancel. You're gonna have here y over y, or simply minus y. Okay. Next, here we have 1 times 6, that is 6. So, okay na ba? Yes, okay na, no? So, we're gonna have 9x, hiwalay natin si y. Y nandito sa kabila, para yung negative maging positive. And then 6 here, positive 6 will become -6. Okay, now we have this slope-intercept form for y is equal to 9x minus 6. Okay, cool with this one. Naintindihan siya? Ganun lang. So, it's supposed to be, the form or the equation that you will use. Finding the equation of vertical and horizontal lines. The equation of a vertical line is given by x is equal to a, where a is the x-intercept. So here, your vertical line, again, the equation for this is x is equal to a. Why, miss? Because even if the value of your y change, the value of your x still the same. Where a is the x-intercept. Okay, so x-intercept again is the value of your x when your y is equal to 0. Okay, this is your x-intercept. Next, the equation of the horizontal line is given by y is equal to b, where b is the y-intercept. So for this one, example here, this is your horizontal line, and the equation for this is y is equal to b, meaning y tas kahit anong number. The value of your y still the same even if your x change. So b is the value of your y-intercept. Ito yung point which touches the y-axis. Okay? And so the y-intercept is the value of your y if your x is equal to 0. Ayan si b. Okay? So let's have an example. Write the equation of the vertical line passing through 2 and 3. So let's look at here. Your vertical line is given by this equation. X is equal to a. Therefore, lagay mo lang dyan, x is equal to, what is your a or what is your x-intercept? Look at here, kung ano yung x mo. X is equal to 2. Is that the answer already? Yes. Yan na po yung line natin, or equation of the line. So example, if we put this in your Cartesian plane, you have here, ano yan? 2, 1, 2, and then 1, 2, 3. Dito siya. Okay, it's here. Vertical line ang kinukuha natin. So it looks like this one. So what is the equation of this line? So hindi nagbabago yung x mo kahit magbago yung y. Thus, x is equal to 2. Okay? That is the equation of your vertical line. Next, example number 10, write the equation of the horizontal line passing through 2 and -4. For horizontal line, again given by this form, we have y is equal to b. So what we're gonna do, lagay mo lang si y is equal to b, then copy the value of your y, which is -4. Okay? Is this the final answer? Yes, that's the final answer already. Again, if we're gonna do it in our Cartesian plane, let's have it here. Let's grab it. So 2 and -4. 1, 2 for your x, and then -4 here. So it's a horizontal line. Okay, let's draw a horizontal line in here. This one. So the equation of this line is y is equal to -4. So here's a table for the summary of all the forms or equation that we used a while ago. So how do we get the equation of the line having the given of slope and y-intercept? So we're gonna use the slope-intercept form, which is in this. Y is equal to mx plus b. So here's the equation. Next, if the given are 2 points, we use the 2-point form. Here, we have y minus y sub 1 is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1 times x minus x sub 1. Well, if the given is a point and a slope, we're gonna use the point-slope form, which is y minus y sub 1 is equal to m times x minus x sub 1. As you can see, these two, they're like twins, no? Magkaparehas lang, magkamukha lang sila. The only difference, you expand the slope in here. Since the formula in getting the slope is this one, you just expand it here kasi ang given naman for 2 points form is or are points. Well, if the given is x-intercept and the y-intercept, we're gonna use the intercept form, wherein this given by this equation, x over a, wherein a is your x-intercept, plus y over b, where b is your y-intercept, is equal to 1. Next, if the given is the x-intercept, we're gonna use this one, the equation for vertical line. So this given by this, x is equal to a, wherein a is your x-intercept, or your x coordinate, rather. And if the vertical line is your y-axis, the equation for it is x is equal to 0, right? This is the equation for y-axis. X is equal to 0. Next, y-intercept, if this is the given, it is a horizontal line. Thus, the equation is y is equal to b, wherein b is your y coordinate. Next, if the horizontal line is your x-axis, this given by this, y is equal to 0. Thank you so much. I hope I help you to recall the equation of the line. Thank you so much, my dear students. Have a nice day.